Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. We're kicking off this new year with some succulent crab stuffed shrimp. This is the perfect appetizer to whip up if you want to impress your friends and family. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's whip it up. Alright guys, for this recipe, I'll be using some jumbo shrimp that have already been peeled and deveined. We're going to leave the tail on for presentation. Now, if you are deveining them yourself, you want to make sure you butterfly them as well so that they sit flat in the baking dish. I chose not to open mine up any further than this because this is how they look after peeling and cleaning them, and they still held up well, okay? We're going to drizzle on some olive oil and season them up generously. Our shrimpsters are nice and seasoned, so let's work on our crab mixture. Into my bowl, I'm going in with some mayo. I started out with 2 tablespoons, but I'm going to add more later. Also going in with some Dijon mustard, some hot sauce of your choice, Worcestershire Sauce, lemon juice, and we're going to lightly season it up with the same seasonings from earlier. And here I go adding in 2 more tablespoons of mayo. We're going to give this a good whisk to combine. Alright guys, so now we're going to go on with our binder. I'm using some crushed crackers here. You can also use breadcrumbs if you'd like. I started out with about a half a cup, but you'll see me adding more later. Now we're going to gently fold in our lump crab meat. As you guys can see, I added in more mayo, paprika, and crackers. I'm going to give that a good mix and set it aside. Now let's get to the fun part. I have my cute little baking dish here. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of this Kerrygold garlic and herb butter and just butter my dish up really well so nothing sticks. Alright guys, let's stuff our shrimp. I have my shrimpy here. Once again, the side that is split is the side that will lay flat in the baking dish. I'm going to take a spoonful of the crab filling and plop it right on top and just shape it into a ball. Then I'm going to fold the tail over so it sits right on top of the filling. You guys will see what I mean in just a sec. Alright guys, this is how it looks after it's stuffed. I'm going to place it into my buttered baking dish and repeat this process. Alright guys, we have all of our shrimp stuffed, so now we're going to bake these babies at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. And here we are about 20 minutes later. I just melted some of that garlic and herb butter to pour all over our shrimp. I'm going to garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley for color, add in some lemon slices, and squeeze a little lemon juice on top to bring out that yummy flavor. And that is it guys, our delicious crab stuffed shrimp is complete. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.